Hi, I'm Andy and welcome to FlixMySwitchLASER. If you're new here, you're very welcome, and if you're returning, many thanks for your support. So in this video I'm going to show you very quickly how I removed the switch on the B1 laser. Yes, it is a safety device, but I have no young children running around in my working area, so I feel very confident that taking out this switch is going to cause no one any harm. So let's see how I did it, and I'll see you at the end of the video. So with the laser upside down, you see the IR sensor here. It just sticks out there. You see the accelerometer that detects movement. You've got the antenna here for the Wi-Fi. So you need to just remove these 4 screws here. So I'm actually filming this after I've actually done the job. So you can just see the key switch down here, down there. And if I just pull that back, you can see the 2 wires that I've cut and heat shrunk over. So to get the key switch out, I just used a pair of needle pliers to get down there, just to move that nut, which you can just see down there. Here, just to loosen that nut, and as it comes loose, you can always then just put your finger down there and flick it around. Then what I did, I pulled the key switch out through the front, so then it's hanging out here. There's plenty of wire on there, and then I snipped the wires off there and then did my soldering out here, put the heat shrink on, etc., and then put it all back together. So it's a nice easy job. There are different ways to join the wires. So the wires I've joined are here. You can see they're heat shrunk, but it is only 24 volts at 8 amp, I think the power supply is. There's lots of different terminals you could use, but I prefer to solder them, so that's what I've done here. You see here that the switch is now being totally bypassed because it's sitting over there. I soldered it together, and I've used 2 layers of heat shrink just to make sure it's perfectly electrically isolated. Now I'm just going to put it all back together. I'm going to put the switch back in, but now the switch is not going to do anything, so there's no need to have the key sitting on the top. There we are, key switch is back in. Let's put the power cord in and turn on and see whether I release any magic smoke. As expected, fan comes on and we're all ready to go. No need to have a key because I've totally bypassed it. So there you go, nice quick video for this afternoon. So if you like what I'm doing, please drop me a like, and if you leave a comment, I will answer the comments. I do check them about 2 or 3 times a day, depending how busy I am. If I'm asleep, obviously there's going to be an 8-hour delay, but I will answer it the next morning. Anyway, that's Andy as ever, wishing you a great afternoon. Continue to make some safe, happy smoke, and perhaps you'll join me in my next video. Cheers for now. Thank you for making it to the end of my videos, much appreciated. If you like what I'm doing and I've earned your trust and respect, perhaps you would consider subscribing. If you leave a comment, I will answer them as well. And if you give me a thumbs up, it will put a smile on my face. Perhaps you would like some of the videos popping up now. See you in the next one.